So you want the 3 secrets to build a multi-million dollar knowledge business? Okay, I'm going to share that with you right now. There are 3 elements to this, and how I can say that is I've actually done over $1 million selling my knowledge and courses, and on the way to my second million right now. And it has been a phenomenal journey of learning and evolution over the last 24 months. Okay, and the more and more I study this, I realize even with the changing times, with the changing technologies and changing methods, doing the old-fashioned way of doing things of the typical type of coaching, consulting and stuff is actually evolving into something bigger, and that's why I've designed something called the Digital Coach Blueprint. Okay, and when it comes to digital coaching, there are 3 elements to it, which is what I'm going to share with you, the 3 secrets. So the first secret is you need to first build a knowledge business stack. As you can see, there has to be a stack. Okay, when I say stack, you need to offer something which can really help deliver results for your students. See, this game is not about giving knowledge. This is a business of you delivering results for your students. Whatever may be the case, whether you're into business growth, career growth, relationships, make money, whether you're into personal development, arts and crafts, or even relationships. All of these are the 7 different categories which I anyway cover inside my course, more in depth and detail. But these are the 7 limbs of the knowledge business. And under this, there are many subtopics over here. And like I mentioned over here, you got to design a stack comprising of 4 things. Make note of this. First level is the courses, okay, the course level. The second level is the coaching level. You can do one-to-one coaching, group coaching. The third level is a consulting level. Consulting is a little bit more long-term. You can do 3 months consulting, 1 year consulting, depending on your topic. Like I have a few business consultants who handhold businesses for a long time and they take it to the finish line. That's a more longer engagement as compared to just coaching. And then you have the 4th level, which is collaboration. Collaboration, you can do partnerships, alliances, affiliate marketing. There are so many other multiple income streams that you can add into your entire knowledge businesses, which is what I actually cover inside my course, more in depth and detail. So the first secret is you need to build a knowledge business stack, which comprises of courses, coaching, consulting, and collaboration. Okay. The second secret, just having this is not enough. You need to have the knowledge business systems, because without a system, you won't be able to really drive this forward. And like I mentioned, it is not just about the knowledge that you have, it is how you can deliver the result for your students and how you can deliver it efficiently, how you can deliver results efficiently using systems and automation. And when it comes to this, there are 3 components to the knowledge, the systems side of the game. You need to have a branded website. Like I have siddharthrajshekar.com, which is my personal branded website. Second is you need to have a knowledge portal. Like I have my own learning management system where people actually go through my courses and they learn all the different stuff inside my learning portal. And me as a knowledge giver, I'm able to track all the things that's happening inside that portal. I can track like what is my course completion rate, who are the people who are actually completing all the courses, and where are people dropping off, what are the kind of results people are getting. Everything can be documented, and it can be, you can pull out reports on if you have a knowledge portal of your own. And the third thing is you need to have a community or a private network. I have my own private social network only for the paid members of my community, only for the VIP members, and there they get to engage, interact with each other. They can ask questions, they get the support forum. We have meetups happening. We have all kinds of stuff, which is really creating an accountability system for people where they are in an environment that can actually help them grow. So as far as your knowledge business systems are concerned, you need to have a branded website, you need to have a knowledge portal, and you need to have what's the third one? A private network. Okay, you can start out with a Facebook group, private Facebook group, but it's always good to have your own network, because that gives you more control and flexibility for you to manage things with your own paid community. And the third secret is you need to build your knowledge business skills. Very, very important. Most people, they shy away from this and they want the shortcut. They want to outsource everything. They say, okay, you do everything for me and I will just do nothing. Okay. Or I'll just focus on my content and topic. If you want to be successful in the knowledge business, especially in the digital age, you need to get hands-on on all the different skills. And there are 5 important skills. Content development skills, like what I'm doing right now is, shooting videos, speaking into the camera. I do the editing myself. I do content development in terms of podcast, doing infographics, everything on my own. Some of you may think, okay, let me outsource it to somebody. Do it on your own first. Become hands-on, because when you have independence, you'll have better control over your business and you can roll things out much faster than waiting for longer cycles. And today is all about moving fast. Money loves speed. Okay, speed is the name of the game. Of course, quality with speed is the real name of the game. Second skill you need is your traffic generation skills. How you can run Facebook ads, organic traffic, paid, you have multiple traffic sources, Google traffic, influencer ads. The third skill that you need to have is list building skills. Okay, how do you generate multiple lists? You have email list, I have an SMS list, I have a chatbot list, I have a Telegram list, I have a Facebook group. You need to build multiple channels of communication, multiple lists, where email is the primary list. Then what's the third skill that you need to have? You need to have, we spoke about content development, we spoke about list building. Okay, let me just look into this here. I just need to, it is in the top of my head, but normally I'll just, content development, traffic generation, list building, number 3. Number 4 is you need to know the skills of selling, because again, just giving knowledge is not, it's not going to cut out the picture. You got to also know how to market your products. Okay, selling is also a skill, and tribe building, because after somebody buys a product, you need to know how to nurture them and take it further on their journey. So all in all, you need to master the game of knowledge business, build your knowledge business stack. Step number 2 is build your knowledge business systems, and step number 3 is build your knowledge business skills. And the skills is something that you're not going to be mastering it overnight. It's going to take you time to do it, and it's a lifelong journey. Like even though I've been in this game for a long time, I'm learning new skills. There are new methods, there are new technologies, there are new ways to do it. So it's a continuous game of evolution, and only if you're able to be on that cutting edge of being a lifelong learner, learning new things, can you expect any kind of result in a knowledge business. Otherwise, it's just going to be, you're going to be in that bottom end of the spectrum, just scratching ends and making things meet, and everything looks good from the outside, but it won't reflect in your bank account. Okay. So to build a multi-million-dollar knowledge business, you have to really master all of these skills, and you need to also understand that this is a game of helping people get results. It is not about how much information that you know. It is about them. It is not about you. The spotlight is on them. And it is also not about, showing off how great you are. Okay. It's also not about that. I've seen many people in the knowledge business, their whole persona is about how many awards they have won, or, how great they are and how they are number one. It's not about that. It is about how you can help others get the results. It's as simple as that. And the minute you shift your spotlight on your students and helping them get results, that should be more of your projection out in the marketplace. And I would say, for me, that is what makes more resonance. That's what helps me connect more. Even like my mentor, he does over $1 million a month, but he doesn't share income snapshots and shows, this is how great I am. His focus is more on helping his students get results, and that itself is the focus. And that's why even in my YouTube channel, if you go to my YouTube channel and check it out, if you go to sids.co/YouTube, there's a Hall of Fame playlist there which has more than 50 to 60 different, at this point, it's maybe going to hundreds, case studies, interviews that I've done with my students who have actually got results. So for me, it is really not about me, it's about you. Okay, so if you want to get on this journey, you want to get into my community. If you're still not in my community, then I would recommend that you go to this link, which is sids.co/formula over here. It's an onboarding video. It's an onboarding tutorial actually. 30 minutes, understand my formula on a more deeper level. 15 minutes, you learn more about my curriculum, and just take action, get into the bandwagon, and have thousands of people. In fact, it's India's largest community right now of knowledge givers who are truly going out there to create an impact in the world. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share your comments below if you found this useful, valuable, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and other places to get notified on such videos that are coming. If you're watching this on other places, that's perfectly fine, but stay connected. That's what matters. Okay. Cheers. God bless, and looking forward to serving you more in my future videos. Bye-bye.